this one, sir. Look at it. Dali. It's so far. Sorry. Yes. Good job. Okay.
I cut it.
Alright. Ingat sa pag-cut, okay?
Oop.
Okay?
Yes, I will do. You also have to wash hands first.
Oo, so
Mamaya.
pwedeng kainin pa, okay?
Maganda ito.
Oh, you cut it na maganda.
Ito.
Oh, sige.
Yes, I get it.
Okay.
Maganda. Ito.
Ito.
Maganda ito.
Ayun.
Nice.
Yes, I get it.
Wow.
Basket. My basket is still not.
Ito, maganda.
Wow.
Ayun, maganda ito.
Maganda yan.
Yes.
Sige, kunin mo. Red na red.
See.
Wow.
Uy, ayun o. Oh. What happened?
Natira.
Nasira. Sige, kunin mo na lang.
You get it?
Sige, lagay mo doon. Hugasan na lang na. Grabe, ganun ko lang ka rin.
Pagka maganda.
Oh, yun.
Yun. Ang ganda rin mo.
Ang dami.
Lucky.
Sibol, do you enjoy picking strawberries?
Yes.
Oh, sige, pitas ka pa.
Pitas. Ayun, maganda ito.
Oh, sige.
Just only the straw.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Basket.
Hanap ka pa. One. And this.
Ganda.
And this.
Anak.
Nag-enjoy ka? Strawberry picking?
Yes.
You wanna do it again? Or tired ka na?
Tired.
1 kilogram.
Yay.
Kakaisa ka na naman.
No.
Can I try?